Good morning, Southeast Idaho. Welcome to your planning briefing for June 8th. Okay, our winter weather has arrived. We're seeing snow already in portions of the central mountains, and we're even seeing a little bit of a winter mix in the Pocatello Chubbuck area with some graupel mixed in, so you might be waking up to that winter mix as advertised early this morning. For the rest of the day, winter weather is in the forecast. Snow is forecast in Island Park and at elevations greater than 5,000 feet today. Otherwise, we're looking at a rain-snow mix today at elevations greater than, less than 5,000 feet. We do have another day today of strong winds forecast, primarily in the Magic Valley area and through Shoshone. We do have a wind advisory out for those areas as a result. And frost is in the forecast for tomorrow morning. As a result of that, a frost advisory is in effect for the Snake River Plain tomorrow morning. Okay, our satellite view this morning, all this moisture still churning across Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Nevada, Utah. This is still the same low pressure area that's been giving us the showers and storms the past couple days, so it's not quite out of our area yet. Rain and snow in the forecast today, primarily impacting areas in orange here on our weather impact overview. Otherwise, we're looking at some pretty minimal impacts for the rest of eastern Idaho. That would include the Sawtooth area, the Wood River area, even though they are seeing some of the snow still lingering early this morning. As the day progresses, we're going to see a decline in that activity. Tomorrow, look at the rest of this matrix here. We're not seeing a whole lot of colors, and that's because after today, our weather hazards really drop off. After the frost tomorrow morning, and you cover up your plants, we only really have that chance for the rain-snow mix in the Sawtooth area and Lemhi County tomorrow, and some slight chances of thunderstorm activities here and there Wednesday afternoon and again Friday afternoon. Our windy day will be focused over in the Magic Valley area and Shoshone. So here we're showing you forecast sustained winds. And the next graphic here is going to be our wind gust this afternoon at peak height. Peak gust. So here we're seeing our peaks at about 40 to 45 miles an hour. In the oranges here, we're seeing 35 to about 40 miles an hour, reaching as far east as Pocatello. Okay, I've got a couple graphics here to show you where the rain and snow is going to occur as the day progresses here. So early this morning, we're seeing the highlighted snow pretty coming down pretty good over in the Island Park Upper Snake area, and then you see this mix over in the Upper Snake Plain, so over toward Rexburg and Idaho Falls, and then you see this kind of decline in activity over the Central Mountains early this morning. As we head into the early afternoon, this activity starts to progress to the east toward the Teton Valley, the Caribou Highlands, and gradually toward the Bear Lake area and the rest of southeast Idaho. And notice we do have the rain indicated on our graphic here, but you can kind of think of this as the rain-snow mix still at this point. By 3 o'clock this afternoon, we'll have some areas of a chance for thunderstorms later this afternoon, and that's what this model is picking up on, these more intense areas of precip. So right here it's indicating potential for thunderstorms across the Blackfoot area and Malad. Our snow accumulations for the rest of today, here we're highlighting Island Park to receive 2 to 3 inches of snowfall. Pine Creek Pass and our elevations greater than 5,000 feet receiving that 4 inches plus. And you see a couple areas here highlighted a little bit more snow for today. And also notice our central mountains are not seeing much more accumulation the rest of the day today. Our frost concerns for tomorrow morning. Now this is going to be our pretty cold temperatures. We're going to have colder temperatures tomorrow morning than we are this morning. So um, that's our basis or our baseline for our frost advisory tomorrow morning. By Wednesday morning, we're going to have the start of a warming trend. So we're not going to expect any further frost concerns for Wednesday morning. Looking ahead toward the weekend, we do have another system arriving by Saturday, so we are favoring at this time above normal precip and below normal temperatures. So winter weather has arrived. Expect snow in the Island Park area and elevations greater than 5,000 feet. One more day today of strong winds, in particular through the Magic Valley and Shoshone area, and then frost for tomorrow morning. Any questions or concerns, we can answer those for you at the phone number listed, or you can email us at the email provided here, or reach us at social media. We can answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching, and be safe.